Today we'll talk about how can you delete your account on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on your name down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on data controls, you just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on delete account here. Then you just click here on delete account here. So then automatically it's going to delete with you on your ChatGPT app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.